Hello, in front of me I've got Doogee X95. In this video I'll show you how to manage Google Wallet. In the beginning, let's go to Wallet. Tap View Wallet button. And as you can see, from the homepage of this app you can add payment cards, manage your passes, check quick tips, and add new passes to account like loyalty card, gift card, and payment card. If you go to menu, you've got access to your Google account, wallet tips, contactless setup, which is unavailable because this phone doesn't have NFC. You can check full list of participating banks. And manage your password in Password Manager. In your data in Wallet, you can manage payments data and passes data. In Wallet settings, you can manage payments profile, add passes from Gmail, enable or disable review purchases, updates about your passes, and updates from Wallet and Google Pay. In the end, you can go to help and feedback. And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.